Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm super excited to share with you how I made this stunning pop-up card. It's a ready to make project that I found in Cricut library. It will be my gift for a birthday, and birthday girl loves horses. I hope this gift will add joy to her day. So let's get started. In Cricut Design Space you can always find a lot of beautiful projects, especially I really love their cards. You can find different themes for any occasions, and today I will make one of them. I will leave a link to this card in the description under this video, so you can easy to find it in the Design Space program. These are all details of this card. You just need to select the paper and cut it on your Cricut. I select purple and pink colors for my project, and here are all the details of the card. I will start the assembly with the card cover. For some elements I will do embossing. I will make stars using this folder and embossing machine. And this is how it looks. Here I decided to add some stars too. But then changed my mind. For all my paper craft projects I use barely art glue. I absolutely love it for its convenience and excellent quality, and can easily recommend it. At this step I made a mistake here. Please note we have a window here, so glue does not need to be used over the entire surface. I replaced the unicorn horn, and this I got a magnificent horse. After that I glue the hair. Now I will take horse body and these three details. Here I add top part of the body. Now I will assemble the clouds. And this is how it should be. And also they should fold up easily like this. And finally we add two rest pieces with the tops. And here is our horse and clouds. Now we have to fold up the tops and attach to the cloud. Then I glue it. We repeat all the same with the second part. And our final step, we glue our horse to the base. And now let's make sure it closes well. I have extra stars, so I decided to add them too. And finally our beautiful pop-up card is ready. I think it will be perfect for any horse lovers. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!